Hello guys and welcome to Quick Tip Academy. Today we will learn a quick tutorial on how to use the index function in Excel. Index function is used to return the value in a cell of a specific row and column in an array. Displayed is a table containing the revenue and expenditure of a company X from January to December. On the right, we have a data validation drop-down list. To learn about data validation, watch our quick tip tutorial on how to use data validation in Excel. The drop-down list selects the reporting month, with month 1 representing January, month 2 representing February, and so on, through to month 12 representing December. Let's select 3 to represent March. On the table below, we was to show the revenue, expenditure, and consequently the profit or loss for a specific month. For month, insert the formula equals text. For value, select R2, which is our reporting month, multiply by 29. For format text, type column M to return the first 3 letters for the month. March is returned since we selected 3 on the reporting month drop-down list. For revenue, enter the formula equals index. Select the array to index. Row number, type 1 since revenue is on the first row of the array. Column number, select the reporting month R2. The revenue for March is returned. Similarly, for expenditure type the formula equals index. Select the array to index. Row number, type 2 since expenditure is on the second row of the array. Again for column number, select the reporting month R2. The profit or loss is calculated as the difference between the revenue and the expenditure. Now we can toggle the reporting month to automatically generate the profit or loss with the aid of indexing. Thank you for learning. Please like, so others can benefit from this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.